Ocean life. There are various plants and animals living in an ocean. Each has distinctive habits and appearance. So here read the clue and identify the animals. First, I make pearl out of a grain of sand. Oyster. I have 8 legs and I eat smaller animals to survive. Octopus. I have 10 legs and I can live on land and water. I am food for the octopus and fish. Crab. I am fish. I am the fiercest creature in the ocean. Shark. I am a transparent creature of the ocean. Jellyfish. I am star shaped and I am not a fish. Starfish. I dig a hole in the soil and lay eggs there. Turtle. I carry a sword for my protection. Swordfish. I am one of the largest animals and I eat plankton and tiny sea creature. Whale. I live in the sea. I have no definite shape. I am made up of holes and tunnels. Sponge.